What's up guys, I'm J Marie and welcome back to my channel. I have been seeing this viral half up half down claw clip crochet hairstyle all over TikTok and I had to try it out. I'm starting off with washed and blow dry hair and I'm parting my hair in half and I'm going to go ahead and create my braid foundation. Now that I have all my braids complete, I have a total of 8 braids going straight to the back. I'm going to move back to the front and I'm going to part my hair down the middle. Next, I'm making a small triangle part about 2 inches in. Then smooth with edge control, and I'm going to create a knotless braid using Toyo Tress deep wave crochet hair, and this is 12 inches long. Taking one of the pre-separated pieces, then I'm going to split that in half and take that next piece and then split that in 2 as well. I braid my natural hair down about 1 inch, then I add the deep wave crochet hair and begin to braid that in. Once I stop at my pointer finger, I'm going to add my second and last piece and braid all the way down and create a knot to secure it. Repeating the same steps on the other side. Until I have 4 braids total. Next, I'm slicking the rest of my hair into a pony, and I'll have all products listed in the description box down below, so check that out. Then braid down to the end and add a rubber band to secure. And I tied it down with a scarf for about 30 minutes to do a quick carpool run. And I'm back. Let's get started with crocheting the hair in the back, and I'm making sure I'm leaving 1 to 2 finger width apart between each piece. I'm doing a simple twist and pull knot. And once I get close to the part, I'm using the knotless crochet method. So I'm separating the hair in half to thin it out, latching it onto the hook, pulling it through. I'm going to also create that twisting motion, but instead of pulling both hair through, I'm going to only pull through one piece. And that way I have my knot in the middle. Okay, the back is complete. Now I'm going to crochet my braid. I'm using that same knotless method to crochet the hair in. That's just going to create a nice fluffy ponytail, and I'll have hair coming out on both sides of the braid. So now I have a nice fluffy ponytail. I'm taking the ponytail and twisting it at the base. Then I'm going to grab my little claw clip and I'm going to clip that right up. This style took 40 minutes to complete, and I use a total of 5 packs of hair. I'm separating and fluffing out the curls. Then I'm going to take my shears and trim any uneven ends, lay my edges, I don't like how the hair tie is showing, so I'm crocheting another piece of hair in, separating the curls and fluffing it out, and that looks much better. And this is the complete look, guys. I am in love with how this style turns out. The braids at the top just really gives it an edge, giving you that Y2K inspo. Like this video, comment down below, let me know if this style is a must try for you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.